Hello everyone, it's Lucas from Altus. Today, we are going to learn how to use special variables on Master Tool for the Nexto Express series. Guys, in Master Tool the user can make use of some types of special variables that will help in the development of the project. Now, so that we can check what these special variables are, they are declared here inside a folder called System GVLs, and a GVL called Special Variables. Here we have the special variables in Master Tool, so we see that there are a lot of pulse variables with different periods. We have a system time variable, which we can find the day of the month, the year, and the hour, second and minute. A day of the week variable, and an hour and minute variable, which will multiply the current hour plus 1 minute. So, in order to explain the use of these special variables, we can go here in User PRG and do a comparison of the current day to turn on our digital output. So let's put it here in the mathematical operator EQ for equality, and let's enable it. Let's pass it to our special variable. So now we can point out the path of the GVL, the variable of the day of the week, if it is equal to the type days of week. If it's true, then we can move. Let's use another special variable, a pulsed variable. We can also declare another variable, just as an example. Just remembering, in order to be able to use these special variables that are related to day, month, time, we need to be logged in with the PLC, as this information is acquired from the real-time clock that is integrated into the controller. So we can go do online, log in and then yes. And here we see that this equality condition is long. So like this we give condition for this move block to be enabled. And we take the special pulse variable there and move it here. We can have conditional logic, which runs on a specific day of the week. If we enter the special variables here, we can take a look at our special variables being acted upon. And we have this variable system time, which we can expand. And here we have the information day of the month of August, the year, the hour, minutes, in seconds and milliseconds. So we can also use these variables in some logic within our project. So, this was our 55th lesson for Nexto Express series. Don't forget to follow Altus channels on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks everyone, see you next time.